Did you build the box?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
How big is it?
It's 7.4 cubes.
4 cubes?
Yeah.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Can I get a demo? Appreciate it, man.
Thanks, John. Hey, appreciate it, bro. Talk to you later.
How you doing,
What's up,
sir?
Jacob?
How you doing?
Same old, man.
Can I get your name and what all's in here?
Name is Giovanni. 4 Sundown SAs, Rev 3s, Tarams, 5K, 1 ohm, 3 kinetic, 2 2400s, 1 3800.
Yep.
Ohio generator.
Okay.
275. 2 runs, 2 out to the back. You know.
Yep.
All works. And
Okay.
10-inch Aeroport on the box.
All right.
Yeah.
Nice. Did you build the box?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
How big is it?
It's 7.4 cubes.
4 cubes?
Yeah. Yeah, tuned to 34.
You happy with it?
Yeah, man.
Yep.
Yeah, I did it some time ago. You know.
Yes, sir.
I work out of my garage, so
Yeah.
I do this for a living. So.
All right. Want to see the box in the back?
Yeah, sure.
I want to see how the Ford is, man.
No problem, bro.
Nice. Is that a 10 or a 10 inch?
Yeah, 10-inch.
Okay.
Ripped all this off today.
Uh-oh. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta re-silicone it.
Yeah, man.
All right, man. I'm ready.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.